So if you don't know what the wheels exactly are, they're Audi RS3 rims. Welcome back to another episode of Project Laura, and in the last episode, if you haven't seen, we were doing the ignition coil spark plugs and we were checking the leakages, and we were fixing the O2 sensor and the wiring for the O2 sensor. But as you can see in this video, we've actually gotten the wire out, we've gotten the soldering machine as well, and we're fixing the wire. This is one of the components that we had ordered from the spare parts, and this is a coupler for the O2 sensor. And as you can see, I mean, I'm pretty sure you can't see, but the internals are actually missing for the coupler. So what we're doing is we're taking the old coupler and we're going to refurbish that as well. And apart from that, over here we have my RS3 wheels and my new tires. And at some point in this video, we're going to be putting them on to see how the car looks with them. And if you're liking this series, give us a subscribe, give us a like as well, share this video with your friends, and we'll get back to work. So as you can see, we've gotten the wheels outside. We're going to do a bit of washing and detailing and stuff to them. So if you don't know what the wheels exactly are, they're Audi RS3 rims. They're replicas, not originals. I'm not that rich yet. And they're wrapped in Continental SportContact 5 tires. And I really wanted to get Michelin PS4s, but unfortunately my budget was getting extended a little bit for the tires. But these are basically 90% as good as PS4s. So yeah, I hope that they don't really lack that much in performance, but I don't think they will, because I did a lot of research before buying them. So yeah, right now we've set them down. We're going to first clean the inside of the barrel, and then we're going to start detailing the front fascia of the rims. Alright, so we've just cleaned the wheels and the tires, and I think so the back wheel has already gone onto the car. We're going to be fitting all of the wheels, and the soldering work is still going on. So yeah, let's get to work.
So if you're wondering why we are soldering this wire, it's because one of my O2 sensors is not working. So while we were running diagnostics, the O2 sensor error was showing up, and it was one of the two O2 sensors near the exhaust pipe and downpipe. So in order to make sure that there are no loose connections and that no rat has chewed up the wire in the middle, we were completely rebuilding the wire from top to bottom. This is a very intricate and very precise job, and the guys over here were doing a great job in making sure that there are no rough patches in the wire.
After a long day of work, they have finally managed, the boys over here at Autodisir, they finally managed to fix the line over here. They've taped it up now and it's all ready to go. So hopefully by tomorrow, the check engine light is not going to be a problem. And also the other major thing that happened today are the wheels. Let me know in the comments down below how you like the new wheels, RS3 replicas wrapped in Continental SportContact 5 tyres. Let us know in the comments down below. And yeah, the car is coming together very, very nicely. I'm excited for it. Mostly in the next episode, we're going to be doing the map as well as hopefully the spoiler or the lowering spring should arrive. So yeah, let us know in the comments down below how you're liking this build. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.
McRae on the inside, going to take it.
And Senna sprints away.